What's your... Stop.
Alah.
Oh, boring.
Sewiki lah.
What you want to do, right?
Let me guess lah. We play futsal.
Yeah?
Futsal.
That's very good.
Inspector media.
Let me call friend Ferda.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
We can play fight with him.
Oh, that's tonight
Okay. Sure, boleh. Why not?
at 10 o'clock.
Okay. Sure, boleh. Kau ada pada team. I want play tonight. I very excited today.
Okay. I'll try.
Can?
Wait. Assalamualaikum. Hello. Yip. Oh. You have spent time tonight? Oh.
Stay with us. We fight.
Oh, wait.
Hello. What are you doing? Let me fight the futsal tonight. Come on lah.
10 o'clock.
We are young.
Boring though. Boring, dude.
Let me fight lah. Let's go tonight, 10 o'clock. Okay, sure. Okay. I will see you at Petronas. I waiting you at here. Don't forget at this time. Must pancut at this time. Okay. Bye.
Hakim, hurry up. Beralih.
Sikit lah.
Berlatih. Dan dia takut. Come on lah.
喧騒まみれこの街の演奏玉たまま一度ついておいで世界中魅了するほどに豪華なジャパン一番ジャンプランさうちらの出番テリヤキボーイズ in the place to be 見せてやろうリジナル VIP
Many diamonds dangling Bag full of money we strangling Hate me, fry me, bake me, try me All the above cause you can't get in I don't want no problem Because me professional Make you shake your cats up Thank you haters take it personal Like a Canada Cats all let's go Make that my let's go
So hot, man.
Tak apa. Biar aircon. So tired lah today.
Wow, I'm feeling hot too. Okay.
Feeling hot for futsal.
Oh, so tired, but it's not boring.
Masong.
Huh?
Masong.
Sakit. What song?
Miseng.
Missing. Okay. Okay. Please switch on aircon. Oh, so hot, man.
Let's main.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody for my own. I'm so lonely. I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody for my own.
Yes.
Ya.
Okay, it's very hot, no? This is on the aircon?
Sure I on the switch.
Are you sure?
Yes, let me see. See, I have a switch on the aircon. The remote control I have a switch on.
Oh, it's true, but it's not working, It's not working.
Nice.
I just buy it 2 weeks ago, this aircon.
Hello? This is a Panasonic for eco service.
Yes. May I help you? Mention your name, please.
My name is Adam bin Mukris. I want to complain about my aircon.
Okay. What's problem on your air condition, Cik Adam?
Actually my aircon can on but not working. In fact, I have just bought in 2 weeks ago.
Oh, I see. Okay. But you do not worry, okay. There no problems. My employee can repair.
Okay, when your worker can come and repair my aircon?
My employee can go repair anytime. Can you tell me what that day on time you free at home?
Tomorrow I free in the night because the afternoon I rush for a meeting.
Oh, it's okay. Tomorrow I and my worker at your home. Go at your home at night. Okay.
I will waiting for you tomorrow.
Okay. See ya.
Excuse me. Yes, Cik Adam house. Yes, Cik Adam house. What? I from air conditioning company. Oh, aircon eh? Yes. Oh, okay. Come on. Can I pakai mic? Okay, sure. Late.
Very long journey to see Cik Adam house, eh?
Yes.
Very tired ah. I've done
2 hours.
so long. Very hot. Assalamualaikum. Cik
Salam.
Adam, right?
Yeah.
I'm from air conditioner company. This my boss, Cik Ikram, and my Upin. What the problem your aircon?
Tomorrow when I on the aircon, dia
Yes.
can not working
Oh, I see.
Very hot at night, morning not working.
The fan working?
No.
No. I will check.
Better inside lah.
Inside. Yes.
Let me in.
I think this part not problem, can working. But I will see your inside.
Let's go. I want complain about this aircon. I just bought the aircon in 2 weeks. What happened?
Oh, I see. I think I will check your this part. I will check where the aircon broken. Have you leather?
Leather or no? But I have a chair. You want?
Okay, it's okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Very high
Very high. What is the problem?
very hot. Cik Adam, I
Yeah.
think this part problem.
Uh-huh.
I will replace this part.
Uh,
Can you wait me? I want take my bag at the car.
okay. Can.
So heavy Okay, Cik Adam, I will replace your indoor aircon. This new brand.
Oh.
I think very good if you take this. You want or not?
This have a warranty.
Yes, can.
Where the receipt? Warranty?
1 year. The warranty 1 year.
Oh.
Can you sign?
Okay, sure.
Okay. If indoor aircon not working again, you can call me anytime.
Oh.
I will come and check your indoor aircon again.
Oh.
Okay. Cik Adam, can I continue for replace this part?
Oh, sure, why not? Before that, I want to kitchen. I want some make drink to make for you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, you can start now.
Hey.
Very hot, boss. Okay, done. I'm very thirsty, boss.
Oh,
Where is Cik Adam?
Hello, boss. That's your drink.
oh, thanks.
Okay, thank you.
Let me drink first. This is kan.
Oh, it's delicious.
Okay, Cik Adam. This warranty for indoor aircon.
Yes.
If this part cannot working again, you can call me or my boss.
Okay.
This is my card. If you have a problem about this aircon, you can just call me.
Oh, balance ni aircon service eh?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, this your warranty.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay, Cik Adam.
Yeah.
Sorry about this aircon.
Oh, okay.
I've only this aircon cannot happen again.
Okay. It's okay, don't worry.
Okay, can I leave?
Right, sure, why not?
Okay. I want to rush another home.
Oh, now at 2
many.
PM. I want to rush a meeting 2 PM.
Okay.
I have 3 house.
Oh, very busy man.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Assalamualaikum.
Goodbye.
Assalamualaikum.
So hot.
Yes.
Wah, spot dah
Okay, Cik Adam.
Okay. See you again